Learn how to handle your gun safely and effectively with our comprehensive guide. Proper gun handling is crucial for responsible gun ownership, and in this video, we'll cover the essential techniques and best practices to ensure you're using your firearm correctly. From loading and unloading to shooting and storing, we'll cover it all. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or a beginner, this video is perfect for anyone looking to improve their gun handling skills and stay safe while doing so. So sit back, relax, and let's get started on the proper way to handle your gun. First, always treat every gun as if it's loaded. This mindset is essential for safety. Never point your firearm at anything you don't intend to shoot. Next, keep your finger off the trigger until you're ready to fire. This simple rule can prevent accidental discharges and ensure you maintain control of the weapon. Always be aware of your target and what lies beyond it. Knowing your surroundings helps you make informed decisions in critical moments. When handling your gun, use both hands for better control and stability. A firm grip is crucial, especially when firing. Make sure to properly store your firearm in a secure location away from children and unauthorized users. Consider using a safe or a lock for added protection. Finally, always seek professional training. Understanding the mechanics and laws surrounding firearms will enhance your safety and confidence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on responsible gun ownership and safety.